You're lacking clarity of your ideal audience. Lack of skills, your willingness to grow. Bakit wala kang client? Lack of clients, it's not a problem, it's a symptom. Kasi, alam mo, ang hirap mag-offer kung hindi ka clear dun sa offer mo. Madaling sabihin yung offer mo kapag alam mo. Na kahit nakapikit ka, alam mo kung anong ginagawa mo. Alam mo kung sino yung mga taong sa servicean mo. And then next is your actions to attract and serve them. We've given so many tips inside BBSA and ROL. Ang tanong, ginawa mo na ba lahat yun? Tapos sabihin sa amin, wala pa rin client. Yes, I know it's competitive. But those people who never quit are those who really win. And consistency is the key. And you know what, guys? I'm doing some bold decisions lately. Do you know that I'm investing $10,000, millions to partnerships? And I can only do that because I know my value. Eh, kaya ko ba makapag-bill ng $2,000? Ay, kaya ko ba mag-bill ng $4,000? Pero minsan nasa harap mo na, tatalikuran mo ba? Because you doubted yourself in delivering the service.